Just welcome. Today we gonna talking about how to make money online and become a millionaire in short period of time. Me now I am a millionaire through online deals. Today I am going to tell you about my journey and how I obtain my money. 1. Google Opinion Rewards. You can make money through giving out your opinion based on Google service and conducting different surveys on your locality and then earn money. This is applicable on all places on the world. Prolific. You can earn money online on Prolific through conducting the online research. This is mostly based on the university students who has got the research to conduct. Mostly of them who are lazy to conduct give out certain amount of money on Google, then the one who is ready on the certain location conduct the research and become paid. You can make more dollars through surveys on Easy app in which they ask you different question and you answer based on your knowledge and obtain money. The Gibby Video app. This app you can earn money through looking videos. The payments depends on number of stream you created. Cash app. In this app you can earn money through transaction of money you created. I mean through buying and selling products or the livestocks. Hence the obtained amount can be leading to production of other money.